Hey YouTube, Sully, smallwater fishing and survival. Out here with the 1023 today. Got a trailer hooked up and picking up some logs that me and a coworker cut down. And this is ash logs I chopped up. I got branches and stuff here and over there that I'm gonna pick up later. But I got some more logs back there I'm gonna go pick up, and then I got some walnut I gotta do as well. But just wanted to do a little video. A few 100 pounds of wood in here. It's pretty dry, so if I had to guess, 200-300 pounds of wood right here. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less, I don't know. But we're going to start it and see how she pulls, and we're going to add it all to the wood pile over there. So all right, we'll be right back. Alright, pulls really easy, pushes back and reverse really easy. Alright, let me switch cameras here. So I got the cross member drawbar, okay, that's for the boat trailer. That's all the way up in the front yard. And as you can see, this is just an old leaf vacuum trailer. It's a dump trailer, and it's hooked up with a pin, okay. But we're gonna throw in some more lumber that I got laying around, or wood, not lumber. But yeah, it's doing good so far. I mean, nothing moved. It's a 15 cubic foot trailer made by Easy Vac. You know, got decent tires on it, nice long tongue so it doesn't get affected by the 3-point hitch. And I put the bucket back on. Probably going to try and load some stuff up. As you can see, I've done some digging with it. I got to do a little bit more. But yeah, so it's the tractor pulling a trailer with a few 100 pounds. All right, thanks.